family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Skeem Saam's update. Mapitsi outsmarting Kamohelo and turns the tables to her. The drama in Skeem Saam just keeps getting better. Mapitsi proven once again that she is always one step ahead when she outsmarted Kamohelo in a tense confrontation. Knowing that Kamohelo was itching to expose her affair with Thomas, Mapitsi boldly dares her to go ahead and tell Tibos, fully confident that he wouldn't believe a word of it. Tibos has always known that Kamohelo harbors jealousy and resentment towards Mapitsi, making it nearly impossible for her accusations to hold any weight. Mapitsi, aware of this, played her cards perfectly, leaving Kamohelo frustrated and powerless. Fans were left with awe of Mapitsi's quick thinking and confidence, turning social media into a frenzy. Mapitsi is a queen of strategy. Kamo thought she had her, but nope. One fan tweeted. Another added, Tiwos won't believe Kamo, and she knows it. Mapitsi says undefeated. #Skeem Saam. With the affair still a secret, the big question remains, will Kamo find another way to expose Mapitsi, or will she accept defeat? And how long can Mapitsi keep the truth hidden before everything unravels? Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.